Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at a Worcester-Bosch. It's leaking from the right hand side. And I asked the customer over the phone, is it losing pressure? And he said, no, it's not losing pressure. So as you're looking at it, it's on the right hand side. So I thought I'll take a part with me. Now, which part do you think I should take with me? Diverter valve actuator, or domestic hot water turbine adapter, or do you think I should take the automatic air relief with me? Which one of these three parts do you think I should take with me? Which one do you think is faulty? So I look forward to all your comments on the comment box. Till next time. So guys, this is the Worcester-Bosch I got to sort out. It's got a leak on the right hand side, and we're going to check it out what's leaking and what we got to do to sort it out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Unfortunately, there's a very loud dog in the house too. Every time he barks, makes me jump. So that's where it's leaking from. We got to sort out domestic hot water turbine. Now I've done one of these adapters a couple of years now, and when you come across one, you come across loads of them. Next few films I'll be doing on these Worcester-Bosch adapters. So I've got quite a few jobs on these recently. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler, domestic or commercial in South Birmingham or Central Birmingham or surrounding area, give us a call. We repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant and many more. We also cover Solihull, Knoll and Dorish too. So why suffering cold? Give us a call. Now this was an easy job because I had some space on the right hand side of the boiler. But if you ain't got much space on the right hand side, it can be a very difficult job. But anyway, change the adapter on it. Just connecting the domestic hot or cold water to it. So once that's connected, we're going to open the station valve. We're going to test it. Now I'm fully opening the isolation valve now. Normally what I do is I open a bit just to test it out in case something pops on me. It has in the past. Well, it happens. Right, so I've opened a bit. There's no leaks. Now I'm opening it fully, and now we're going to switch the boiler. I'm going to test it out. As long as there's no leak. Right guys, there's no leak. I'm testing it out. The burners come on. The hot water is working fine and it's all good. Another happy customer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. So guys, domestic hot water turbine adapter was leaking on that. We sorted it out. It's all working fine now. No more leaks. So if your boiler is broken down, Birmingham South, give me a call. Till next time. Birmingham Boiler Fix.